I'm living in Dhaka city hand to mouth and I'm a poor person. Please take this flower and give me 30 taka.
Oh, thank you. I think it's too much.
Hello, I'm a flower seller. I sell flowers. Please purchase the flower from me. You can see different kinds of roses here in my shop. This is a red rose, this is the yellow rose, this is the white rose, and this is the pink rose. Which one do you want? Each rose just 30 taka. But I can give you a discount. You have to pay just 20 taka. Hello, do you like to purchase any flower from my shop? This is the rose you can purchase from here. You will not get so many varieties from other shops. In my shop, you will get red roses, yellow roses, white roses, and the pink roses. Which one do you want? Please, I maintain my family by selling my flowers. Please take one flower from my shop, and each flower is only 30 taka. But today there is a big discount. It is only 20 taka. Will you take my flower, please? Will you take my flower? Just 20 taka, Apu. Take it. Please take this flower, and this is only 30 taka. I have a large family. My parents are in my house, and I have 4 children, and I have a wife. So I am a poor person. Please take this flower and give me 30 taka. And by this, I am living in Dhaka city hand to mouth, and I am a poor person. Please take this flower and give me 30 taka.
Oh, thank you. I think it's too much
But
price.
30 taka is not a matter because you are a rich person. Can I sit beside you, ma'am?
Sure.
Okay, she is a kind sister and she is my sister. She has given me the place. Thank you very much. So please take this flower and give me 30 taka. They are learners, so I had a very good time, sweet time with my sister. So actually I was making fun for making a video. If you want to speak English fluently, please make videos every day because you have a smartphone. She has a smartphone, everyone has a smartphone. So if you have a smartphone, you have a smart teacher. So just make videos and just practice every day. Thank you very much for watching this video.